Hi, I'm John with ELO. You are in front of our brand new 65-inch touchscreen monitor. It's the 6553. It is a 4K monitor. Right now I've got a whiteboarding software up here. That would be something you might use in a huddle room. You can also get into product demonstrations with this. And of course it's a 65-inch. On the other side of the booth we've got it rotated in portrait orientation, and you can use it as a large tablet. This particular model comes with, when you get the huddle kit, you get a couple of these styluses. So you can actually very easily just set it on highlighter and start touching. And I do have bad handwriting, but you get the point. You can also, of course, use your own finger because it is a touchscreen. Up here we have our new webcam. And this thing will actually angle up or down because, again, if you're in a conference room, it depends on where you put the screen. You want to make sure you get maximum angle of viewability. We've got other software. You can basically, this is running our ECM4 on it. It is a full Windows-powered system. So you can run anything that you can run on Windows, you can run on this.